saw fireworks from the freeway, and behind closed eyes I cannot make them go away. Cause you were born on the 4th of July. Freedom ring, when something on the surface it stays. I see something on the surface, well it kinda makes me nervous. So say that you deserve this, and what kind of God would serve this? We will cure this dirty old disease. Well, if you got the poison, I've got the remedy. The remedy is the experience. This is a dangerous liaison. Assist the comedy. Is that serious? This is a strange enough new play on words. I say the tragedy is how you're gonna spend the rest of your nights with the light on. So shine the light on all of your friends. Well, it all amounts to nothing in the end. I won't worry my life away. I won't worry my life away. Well, I heard two men talking on the radio in a crossfire kind of new reality show, uncovering the ways to plan the next big attack. Well, they were counting down the ways to stab the brother in the be right back after this. The unavoidable kiss with a minty fresh death breath is sure to outlast this catastrophe. Dance with me, cause if you got the poison, I've got the remedy. The remedy is the experience. This is a dangerous liaison. Assist the comedy. Is that a serious? This is a strange enough new play on words. I said the tragedy is how you're gonna spend the rest of your nights with the light on. So shine the light on all of your friends when it all amounts to nothing in the end. I won't worry my life away. I won't worry my life away. When I fall in love, I take my time. There's no need to hurry when I'm making up my mind. You can turn off the sun, but I'm still gonna shine. And then I tell you why. Because the remedy is the experience. This is a dangerous liaison. Assess the comedy. Is that a serious? This is a strange enough new play on words. I said the tragedy is how you're gonna spend the rest of your nights with the light on. So shine the light on all of your friends when it all amounts to nothing in the end. I won't worry my life away. I won't worry my life away. I won't worry my
All right, ladies and gentlemen, time to get started. We're doing the same thing. Your mutation station completion deadline is Friday. So if you have not taken your protein synthesis assessment, you're behind. Take that today. So Miss Money has copies of both assessments. You tell her what you want. If you want her to check any of your work, I have keys available to her, but get it done. The expectation is that you are working and you are meeting this deadline by Friday, having both of those assessments done. So if you are taking the assessments, I expect for you to be behind my desk, unfortunately on the floor, or at some table that is not populated, and you may only talk in your head to yourself, not out loud, and have your notebook with you. If you have any questions, you can ask Miss Money, but she might not know. Just deal with it, figure it out. Good thing I have revisions, right? So let's make sure that we all know what's up. I'm going to put my face on this thing. Boom! Okay. So, at my desk. Looky, looky. Boom. Okay, so I have stuff from protein synthesis stations. Okay. This guy right here in the blue, I have this thing that is for Station 2 with the flowers. Okay. If you choose to do the Station 2 flower activity, it's right here. I will have a sticky note there because I should probably label it. Then Station 3 about sickle cell anemia. It's right here. You need this thing. Everybody needs this thing. Okay? So as I told you on the way out the door, today, over on the board, this one right here. Here are the stations. Okay? Watch a fantastic video of me. I'm not even that salty. Then you have a choice. You may do Station 2 about Concord. It's a simulation, and there's some questions to answer. QR code's right there. Or you may do the flower station activity. This thing is up at the front. Okay, so if you want to do this, cool for you, do it. Everyone's going to do this. All of the readings are on Schoology. You're going to need this sheet of paper right here. I don't really know what else to tell you besides make me proud. You can do this. Love you, bye. Text me if you need anything. The end.